We're very pleased as the Queensland Trucking Association to be here today, helping Queensland Transport and Main Roads make this video, which will be a great asset for drivers as they're travelling through the Queensland Cunninghams Gap Reconstruction project over the next couple of years. It's particularly important to get it from a driver's perspective, get some information, some observations, some insights as to what they will confront during that period, types of stoppages, how to negotiate the traffic works, and be better informed basically about how this project will continue over the next couple of years. We're pleased to assist, and we're delighted that South Coast Transport and Main Roads have been so forthcoming in the consultation during this period to help us work through this project as best we can.
So the Cunningham Highway is a really important freight route. TMR is very aware of the importance of freight moving through this location and the importance of maintaining all vehicles moving through the site. So these works will be quite complex. We are expecting that there will be traffic control measures required. At times that will involve stop-go. However, TMR will endeavour to keep motorists moving through this project site as best as we possibly can. We're really grateful to have the QTA and Wickham's today to support us in that endeavour, and we're looking forward to learning from that experience and seeing how we can implement that in the works as we get going.